Kharyzma, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to do this big jumbo braid ponytail, and it's optional if you want to add the bling clips. You don't have to add them, but I thought they would be super cute for this style. I love them, they're very trendy, and I love bling and everything that dazzles and sparkles, so I thought it would be really cute. So if you want to learn how to do this style, please stay tuned for this tutorial. Okay, let's get started. Yes, I have lots and lots of shrinkage. My faux is soft though. I just did a treatment, so it's really nice. You're gonna want to spritz that with water so it could be really moist, really moisturized. Slick that water into your hair. Okay, I'm using the Sunny Isle pomade to slick down my hair. I like to put it on first before any gels because it has castor oil in it, and yeah, that'll help to slick down and protect my hair from the gel that I'll be putting on a little bit later. So just brush that in, brush it in, and you also need a scrunchie, guys. I forgot to show you. Get your hair into a nice slick ponytail. Smooth it out as best as you can. As best as you can. Yeah, more moisture, more water, more moisture. Yes, make a tight twist with your hair and make it into a bun. Yeah, just like that. Smooth it more with Eco Styler gel, and I'm gonna be generous with the gel because I want to get a sleek look. Smooth it in. Make sure you get all of your hair all around. Spray it with water as well to get that gel to work in. Get your brush and just brush away. Brush, brush, brush. It makes it look really more sleek. If that's the look that you're going for, just keep brushing, laying down the cuticles of your hair. Nice. Love it. Okay, so you're going to get your satin scarf to put it over your head just for a while so your hair can stay slicked down. Again, you can get these on my Etsy shop, etsy.com/shop/Kharyzma for you. I have different colors and prints. Yep, okay, so after you leave it on for a few minutes, then you're going to take it right off and you'll see it's nice and slick. There's that ponytail. You would have pre-braided it. I pre-braided mine and put the elastic on it, so now I'm just attaching it to my bun. Yes, take your time, guys. And again, that top part of the braid needs to be loose so that it can go over your bun and cover it really well. And so you're going to want to secure that with the bobby pins and hair pins. Secure it in place just how you like it. Put as many pins as you want. Just make sure you put the pins in a way where it's not poking your scalp, because I know that I don't like pins to poke my scalp. So I'm very strategic with how I place my pins. But go ahead, get those bobby pins in there. Yes. I love this style. This is a wonderful protective style. You can leave this in for like a week. Yeah, I'd say no more than a week. Okay, so go ahead and get your edge brush. This is optional, totally optional, but I wanted to get this to just sleek down my edges. I'm still new at sleeking down edges and doing all of that, but go ahead. You don't have to do this again. This is optional. I just wanted to give this a polished look rather. I wanted the finished look to be really, really polished, really, really nice. Yep. Just keep shaping it as you like. Again, this step is optional. You don't have to do this. I'm still learning how. Yep. Take your time. I know it takes practice. I'm getting better though. I'm getting better. I don't have that much baby hair, but you know, you have to work with what you have. That's what I'm doing. Yep. Go ahead, Kharyzma. Get your Eco Styler and touch up. These are like the finishing touches. Yep, if you need to brush again, do so. Because you know with natural hair, you gotta keep, you know, doing what you gotta do. Okay, so I decided to add bling clips. You guys know me. I have 3 clips I'm adding. One says glam. Yes, glam. Put that at the top. It almost looks like a tiara too. That's why I like it. It says glam. Yes. And then I have another one that says star. Go ahead, miss. I love it. Yes. Okay, and the other one has dollar signs. Money, money, money. Money. Get it. Yes. Okay, so the look is done. I hope you guys like it. Follow me on Instagram, Kharyzma4you, and my business Instagram, Kharyzma4you Fashion. You can purchase the satin scarf at etsy.com/shop/Kharyzma4you, and my website coming soon, www.kharyzma4you.com. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope I did well with my first voiceover on YouTube, but not my first voiceover ever. But thank you again. Bye-bye. Love you, love you, love you.